You see, go better for wicked Yoruba people. Just imagine they intentionally set this market ablaze in Lagos just to cripple Igbo people's business. And this is what they have been doing. Make una they check them almost every 2 to 3 months. You will hear say a market is burning in Lagos. Almost every 2 to 3 months, you will hear say that there is a demolition of Igbo people's properties in Lagos. Why? Why this wickedness? Just tell me, why this wickedness? Go back to your place. Okay, give us seaport. Una no go won't give us seaport. Even the one that they're trying to start in Warri, Lagos State Governor is not happy about it. Why is it that Yoruba people hate Igbo people like this? And I recall that Remi Tinubu, she was even not happy with Igbo people that were doing businesses in Lagos. They need to look into these things, because if you go and check, I will not be surprised if Remi Tinubu has a hand in what is going on in that Lagos state concerning Igbo people. What kind of wickedness is this? What kind of country is this? Let me know what you think about it. This is not an accident, and nobody should come and comment that it's an accident. This is not an accident. This is a deliberate sabotage against Igbo people in Lagos to cripple their businesses. Throughout this year, as a matter of fact, since pe0ople came out to be president of Nigeria, Igbo people's businesses have been under attack. Igbo people have been under attack in the whole of Nigeria. But God pass all of una.